Did you know that just like your muscles, your brain needs exercise to stay sharp? Imagine having a razor-sharp memory, lightning-fast thinking, and the ability to stay focused for hours, without feeling mentally drained. What if I told you that a simple exercise routine could rewire your brain, making you smarter, more creative, and even happier? Yes, you heard that right. Scientists have discovered that certain movements don't just benefit your body, they supercharge your brain, improving cognitive function, memory retention, and even emotional stability. If you want to unlock the full potential of your mind, keep watching because I'm about to share the most powerful brain-boosting exercise routine that will change your life. But wait, before we get into the routine, let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Or struggled to recall someone's name just moments after hearing it? If you've experienced these frustrating brain lapses, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, stress, poor diet, and lack of mental stimulation are causing our brains to age faster than ever. But here's the good news, you can fight back. In just a few minutes a day, you can activate parts of your brain that have been dormant for years. And by the end of this video, you'll have a simple yet powerful routine that will keep your brain young, active, and alert for years to come. The connection between exercise and brain power. You might be wondering, how does exercise affect my brain? Well, let me explain. Physical movement isn't just about building muscles or burning fat, it's a direct pathway to a stronger, more efficient brain. When you exercise, your body increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients. This helps grow new brain cells, enhance neural connections, and even prevent cognitive decline. Neuroscientists have proven that certain exercises trigger the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a powerful protein that acts like fertilizer for your neurons. It helps create new brain cells, improves memory, and enhances problem-solving skills. In other words, if you want to think faster, remember more, and stay sharp as you age, movement is key. And the best part? You don't need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or hours of training. Just a few simple exercises done regularly can transform your brain power. But here's the catch. Most people are doing the wrong types of exercise for brain health. They spend hours lifting weights or running on a treadmill without realizing that some exercises are far more effective for cognitive function than others. That's why I've put together a science-backed routine that specifically targets brain power, memory, and focus. So, if you're ready to upgrade your mind, let's get started. Exercise 1: Aerobic movements. The first type of exercise you need is aerobic movement. Why? Because it's the #1 way to increase blood circulation in the brain. Studies have shown that activities like jogging, cycling, and even brisk walking can significantly improve memory, learning ability, and emotional stability. Here's something fascinating. A study conducted at the University of British Columbia found that aerobic exercise actually increases the size of the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning. This means that simply moving your body can physically reshape your brain, making it stronger and more efficient. But don't worry, you don't have to run a marathon. Just 20-30 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise, 3 to 5 times a week, is enough to see incredible brain-boosting benefits. You can go for a brisk walk, dance to your favorite music, or even do jumping jacks in your living room. The key is to get your heart rate up and keep moving. But aerobic exercise is just the beginning. If you want to take your brain to the next level, you need to challenge it in new and exciting ways. That's where coordination exercises come in. Exercise 2: Coordination movements. Ever wondered why professional dancers, gymnasts, and martial artists have incredible memory and focus? It's because coordination-based exercises force your brain to work harder, improving neural connections and strengthening cognitive function. Exercises like Tai Chi, yoga, and even simple hand-eye coordination drills activate both hemispheres of the brain, improving concentration, reaction time, and problem-solving skills. One of the best exercises for this is called cross-crawl movements. This involves moving opposite limbs together, like marching in place while touching your left knee with your right hand and vice versa. It may seem simple, but it does wonders for brain connectivity. Another great exercise is juggling. It may take time to master, but the cognitive benefits are incredible. Juggling improves hand-eye coordination, enhances focus, and even increases gray matter in the brain. Plus, it's fun. Exercise 3: Balance training. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: balance training. Balance exercises don't just improve your posture and stability, they also sharpen your brain. Balancing on one leg, using a balance board, or practicing yoga poses like the tree pose forces your brain to work harder to maintain stability. This strengthens neural pathways related to focus, reaction time, and spatial awareness. In fact, researchers have found that balance training significantly improves memory and cognitive function in older adults. One of the easiest ways to train your balance is to stand on one foot while brushing your teeth or washing dishes. It might seem small, but these little challenges add up to big cognitive benefits. And here's something that will surprise you: your brain loves surprises. That's why it's important to mix things up and challenge your mind in new ways. This brings us to the next brain-boosting exercise. Exercise 4: High-intensity interval training, HIIT. If you want a fast and powerful way to boost your brain, HIIT is the answer. High-intensity interval training involves short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods. Not only does HIIT improve physical fitness, but it also enhances cognitive performance, reaction time, and mental clarity. When you push your body through short bursts of intense movement, like sprinting, jumping, or fast-paced bodyweight exercises, you activate the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. These chemicals improve mood, motivation, and mental sharpness. But wait, there's one more exercise that's often ignored, yet it's one of the most powerful for brain health. If you're not doing this, you're missing out on a major brain boost. Exercise 5: Mindful movement. Have you ever tried mindful exercises like Tai Chi, Qigong, or slow, intentional breathing movements? These practices not only calm the mind but also rewire the brain for better focus and memory. Mindful movement exercises increase gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and problem-solving. When you combine movement with mindfulness, such as focusing on your breath while stretching or paying attention to each step while walking, you activate the brain's default mode network, which enhances creativity and mental clarity. Now, imagine combining all of these exercises into a simple, powerful routine. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day can completely transform your brain power, making you sharper, more focused, and even happier. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or hours of training, just consistency. So, are you ready to take control of your brain health? Start today and watch your memory, focus, and intelligence skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a mental boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more brain boosting tips, and I'll see you in the next video.